Hi everyone. Today I will show you the fastest way how to create an OnlyFans account. And the fastest way is that you don't. Do it, and you will ruin your life. Think about it. Why would you even want to sign up for OnlyFans? If you're looking for some adult content, there are plenty of free options out there. If you want to do it for free. Not at all. Hoes are everywhere, man. And this proves it. Don't support them in any way. They are the second worst. The first are simp like you that let them live for doing nothing. So don't do this. Please, if you need to do it, go out and find some hoe. Thrust me you will. Thanks me later.